Hi, it's Tanya Gray. Great to see you today. What I'm going to do is talk a little bit about why training alone doesn't work. I don't know how many of you have sent your sales people out on a training course and they come back all excited and they start using the skills, but about 3 months down the track you notice they've gone back to where they were before. It's frustrating and you're not getting your return on your investment. So let's start to understand why. First of all is human psychology. You send people away and they get these great skills and they're really enthusiastic, but they're not a natural skill. A bit like talking on a video. They're not natural skills. So unless they get plenty of practice, they're going to feel uncomfortable. And when people are uncomfortable, they go back to their natural style. The second reason is that they come back to the same environment. Your environment can have a huge effect on the way that people change and the way people develop their process. So if you don't change your sales process to meet the new skills and talk the same language that they've learned, they're likely to forget. In fact, 87% of all skills are lost within 3 months of a training course. So that's not much left. And the third reason, and the most important reason, is coaching. Without skills being coached, supported and developed and helped along to become part of everyday practice, they're less likely to be retained and used, and people will less likely be successful using them. So coaches, get in there and help your sales team with those new skills and you're going to get that return on your investment. Sales skills training is fantastic, but don't forget those 3 things. Thanks very much. I'm Tanya Gray.